Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can schedule or edit an already scheduled event or meeting in your account on Calendly. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Calendly and navigate to scheduling here, or alternately adjust your availability. For example, if you'd like to customize your availability for your team for the given day. Now in this case here I'm going to go with a specific team meeting event, so navigate to scheduling, and as you can see I have scheduled this team meeting here to these dates. So if you'd like to change these, or the location or the availability or any other details concerning related to the meeting, you will need to click into these three dots here and click into edit, provided of course the meeting has already been created, but because you can also create a completely new one here. So click into edit, and after that go through these menus here. For example, you may click into these three dots in the top right corner, rename the given event, add an internal note, delete it, add permissions, for example, if your team members have access to the given event type. If it's a group event, for example, change the duration here, set a start date, for example, change the location, for example, like on Zoom or Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and so on and so forth. Change the availability or the schedule here, for example, and after that set an invitee limit and set also an host for the given event. So last but not least, confirm by clicking to save changes or access more options like describing the event and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to skip this. Before you save, you may also, before you save your changes, you may also see the preview. Click into save changes, and that is going to edit or save your edits for the given team meeting or event, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.